Welcome back, everyone. So we're diving into AI again, and AI agent store.ai is always our go-to spot for what's new and interesting out there. Today, we're looking at something from IBM. It's called watsonx Orchestrate, and our plan is really to dig into what this platform actually is, based on what we're seeing on their site, who it might be useful for, and why it's a big deal for automating work in bigger companies. So, okay, let's peel back the layers on this. IBM watsonx Orchestrate. Fundamentally, what are we talking about here?
Right. And what's really interesting isn't just automating tasks. It's more about orchestration.
Orchestration, okay.
Yeah, think of it like an AI conductor for all your digital tools. It's a platform, basically, that
Okay.
lets you build and manage AI agents and assistants.
Yeah.
And these aren't just simple bots. They're meant to handle complex workflows that span across different company systems. It brings some pretty advanced AI into, day-to-day business use.
That difference, automation versus orchestration, that feels important. Sounds like it could really change how some places work. So, who's this aimed at? Who needs this kind of orchestrated automation? And maybe more importantly, how much can these agents do on their own? How autonomous are we talking?
Well, it's actually built for a broader group than you might think. You've got your regular business users, automation engineers, IT folks, developers, people designing processes, and the autonomy level. It's quite high. The website points to around 76%.
76%. Wow.
Yeah, it's significant. It means it's designed for managing multiple agents working together. You can plan things out, coordinate actions across different systems, and importantly, do this without someone constantly having to step in. It figures out the best resources, maybe another AI agent, maybe even alerting a person to get these complex jobs done. It optimizes things.
Okay, 76% autonomy. That really paints a picture of, well, sophisticated agents. The site also mentions a no-code, low-code agent builder and this multi-agent orchestration.
Yeah. Hmm. Can you give us a concrete example? Like, how does this change a standard business task?
Sure. That no-code, low-code builder is key because it opens things up for people who aren't, hardcore programmers. They can
Hmm.
build useful agents. Its real power comes from managing all these agents and workflows. It often uses a library of pre-built agents and connects with the systems you already have. So let's take HR onboarding. Normally, that's a lot of manual steps, right? Entering data here, setting up access there, scheduling training.
Right, across different systems usually.
Mhm.
Exactly. With Orchestrate, you can have several AI agents working together. One puts the info in the main HR system, another kicks off the IT setup, maybe a third talks to the manager about introductions, another handles compliance checks, and they coordinate. They react if something changes. It just cuts down the time and potential for errors massively. Plus, there's oversight. You can track what the agents are doing, make sure it aligns with policy. It's not just a black box.
Okay, that makes sense. So, if you're listening and thinking about streamlining things in your organization, trying to really use AI effectively, what does this all mean for you?
Well, connecting it to the bigger picture, I think it's about making this kind of advanced AI orchestration more practical, more manageable for everyday work. In departments like HR, procurement, sales,
Hmm.
it's part of IBM's effort to help companies really leverage AI properly, not just simple automation, but intelligent coordination. And it empowers more people, even those non-technical users, to build and use this stuff. It changes how work can get done.
It really sounds like watsonx Orchestrate is offering a pretty solid way for companies to tackle complex automation using multiple agents and maybe make it more accessible than before.
Definitely. And this actually brings up a bigger thought, doesn't it? As these AI agents get smarter, more autonomous, and work together on these complex tasks, how does that change how we even think about a workflow? Or maybe even what constitutes a team inside a company?
That's a fascinating question to ponder, something to definitely think about. For anyone wanting to explore more AI agents and see what they can do, remember to check out aiagentstore.ai. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and we always appreciate you rating the show.